Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Tonight, the number jumped very fast. Hey, within the first minute, we are looking at 167, 170 people. That is very fast. Amazing. Everybody worried, is it? Because of the stock market? That's my guess. That's my guess. Okay, to the Traders Club member, 我们又见面了。昨天晚上已经知道今天的后果了哈，没有什么股看，果然不出皇天不负有心人，真的给他来一个股崩盘了。OK， 来 tonight we are going to look at for Traders Club members who are here right now, you will be able to see something very special, right? You take a look at my platform. Take a look at my platform. Hey, tonight is Bursa. Tonight is Bursa, not SGX. Bursa. Tomorrow is SGX. Why? Because Bursa is going on holiday soon. Tomorrow is half day. Then you got Thursday, Friday, public holiday for 2 days. So tonight we do so that tomorrow half a day we can still prepare and do something. If not tomorrow night do bo yi si ma. Half day for Bursa tomorrow. Okay, so SGX tomorrow we will be doing. Okay, how about everybody understand? So while we wait for more people to join us, let's just look at my platform. Look at my screen, guys. Look at my screen. Especially Traders Club member. Dun, 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 dun. Can you see more features coming into the software? You see more features coming into the software. Amazing, isn't it? Mayday, Jadish. 係啦. This is okay. Actually, Jadish and the rest of you, this is not as worse as the February during the COVID-19 time. Also, it is still not that bad. Okay, we still got time and chance to run away. I'm just waiting for that bounce to quickly get out. You can see progressively we'll start to get out of the stock. Jared Yap, first question of the night. How come you never use stop loss? Where got never use stop loss? Have to lah. When shit hits the fan, have to. Okay. Right, so for now, let's start. We have about 300 of you. Okay, so for Traders Club member, you will be getting this new update in the software where I am going to rank the stock. Okay, you know, whenever we look for stock, right? Wow, very charm, whole charm. We need to go through one by one to see their earnings, whether good or not. So right now, I have put them very nicely into the ranking. The more green dots you see, the stronger the company. Okay, so if I come to this screener list, okay, I'm going to sort it. Okay, now if I start from descending onwards, you will see that these are all the stocks that is not doing well. Okay, and then if you sort, these are the stronger stock. Okay, stronger stock. So it makes it even more easier for us to find stocks. Okay, and also the industry is in right now. Industry. So for a given night like tonight, you just stop by industry, right? We can see that plantation stock, a lot of them appearing in the list. So this is one sector to look out for. Okay, and you have got oil and gas inside the list. Okay, so inside this sector, who is the better one? You can look for the green dots. Okay, look for green dots. Then it becomes easier. Now, real estate only got one representation tonight. Then we don't want. Okay, and still tonight only got one representative, BSL Corp. Okay, because they pull back not with low volume but high volume. Okay, so this is something you need to do every night. So as you screen, right, every night if you look at the industry, you will know which industry is moving. Okay, which industry is moving, and that will be easier for everybody. Okay, once again, I repeat. Then from the industry itself, you find the stronger ones. Okay, stronger ones. What is the stronger based on? Of course, it's based on earnings. Earnings. It's just that I conveniently put it inside here rather than here. Here, you need to click 2 times and then you need to appreciate the bar chart. So once I put it onto the screening, right, a screener, it is so much more easier. Correct. Yes, today is Bursa, not SGX. Today is Bursa, not SGX. So I sort by rank. So tonight, instead of going through 24 stocks, all we need to do is look at 11 stock. If 11 stock don't have winner, then you go down. Okay, but you must be aware, the lower you go, the lousier the company financials is. Okay, Delis Young rank is related to earning. Yes, ranking is related to earnings. Only earnings, only earnings. So later we will go through lah. Okay, so this is the new update that you will be getting into your ESP Master soon. Okay, good news or not? If good news, give me a haha leh, haha. Let me show you how to do the haha. Like that. Give me the haha. If this is something you love, is good, give me a haha. You see, we always are improving the software to make it easier for everybody, so that we don't have to spend so much time to look for the stock. The stock should appear in the list, right? Jump right in front. Ayo, so many of you like it lah. Wow, 真的是很温馨哦. Okay, right? Go to the price chart. FP group today give earnings. Later we talk about FP group. So first button on the left, market strength index. This is must see. Okay, and then new stuff like support resistance previously don't have, right? Okay, once you click the result, you should have the support resistance. You can turn off now. Okay, you can turn off now. Okay lah, but the first thing we want to do is to take a look at this index. Now, the Sapo line has been broken. The bad news is the Sapo line has been broken and we are staying down. Okay, we are staying down. Doreen, today is SGX. Okay, sorry. Today is Bursa, not SGX. SGX tomorrow, Wednesday. This week we swap. Okay, so this is the Sapo line, guys. Take a look at this. We were waiting for the bounce. The bounce never happened and it continued to go lower. So throughout the last week, since last week when it started to go below the Sapo line, the market is every day down. Even the steel sector today is down, and plantation is also staying down. Chemical also gonna sell. Okay, so I officially announced, like very serious like that. I think everybody has to be careful. Traders Club member, you know my tone since last night, but for those of you who are new and you are new first time here, or you come here many times but you're not my member yet, okay, this is something to watch out for. We are going down. Okay, black hawk down. So whatever you have in your portfolio, you need to manage your risk. Now, how do you manage your risk? Can keep the strong ones, sell the weak ones. That is the number one thing you must do. And make sure you have got cash. So if you have like 75% or 80% of your cash inside the stock market, that is something that I would advise caution, because if we continue to go down from here, this is just the second week of May. May usually is a horrible month. Okay, so if it continue to spiral down, you may lose quite a significant of your money. Okay, all the support will start to break. A lot of stocks are now trading as support, so we are in this position right now that everything is getting very dangerous. Okay, we may spiral down out of control, and then you will get a lot of cash. Don't call me, I am here. Okay, so you may suffer quite a substantial loss. Just imagine March 2020 happening all over again. Okay, it is very fast, go down before it comes up. Now, right now, the coming back up may not be as fast as March 2020. So that is something you need to watch out for. What else can we monitor from here? So with the market strength index below the Sapo line, it also means that very likely, okay, I don't want to be too pessimistic, but actually all the charts look like shit. Okay, I shall not tone down. I should not tone down and choose my word. I will just tell you as it is. It is like shit. So you really have to have a strong heart. Okay, when it's time to cut, you have to cut. So as it comes down, okay, you want to wait for stabilizing. So once you see stabilizing and you look at BIC, if you find BIC chart and you stick to earnings, guys, this is very logical. Okay, when the market recovers, the industry that is in play or the stocks that has got the strongest earnings growth will recover first. Okay, will recover first. So do not, okay, I repeat, do not go for lousy companies and you hold lousy company. Now, every bull market, okay, like right now, every bull market, every bull wave, there will be rubbish company that is going up in share price and starts to come down together with the market when it is bad. Okay, those may not recover. Those of us who have traded in the market for a long time, you understand what I'm talking about. That is the time where newbie will be sacrificed because they are holding lousy company and they thought every year is very simple like 2020. Those of you who traded in 2018 during the election year, you know how volatile the market is. If there is profit, you don't protect, gone. 1 week time, break even. Another week, go down. So that is the kind of market that we may be going into. Okay, so right now, watch out for BIC. No BIC, better don't touch. Better don't touch. Okay, so that is for the market share index. I shall turn it off. Now what we want to do is to go through this list of stock. Now, this is the strongest stock, strongest stock, 3 dots. Okay, before that, we should always study what is BIC. Okay, for those of you, I use Anju chart. Okay, let's take a look at Anju chart. Okay, Anju chart got BIC and Anju. Okay, Anju chart, the BIC is not very obvious. Melewa is very obvious, so we should use Melewa as a 题材教育题材. Okay, so I'm going to use Melewa to teach those of you who do not know what is BIC how to read it. Okay, now how many of you are new to BIC and do not know what is BIC? Please, by a show of hand, how many of you raise your hand? Okay, I'm kidding. Don't raise your hand at your home. I cannot see. Just comment me. If you do not know what is BIC, comment me. Those of you who already know, don't need to reply. Just sit and watch. Okay, so why am I covering this BIC? Because later when I go through this list of stock, right, then you will be lost. Hey, why this is BIC? Why is that BIC? This BIC. So now everybody learn what's BIC first. Then when we go through list of stock, everybody is clear. Oh, so this is what we are looking for. See the first two, Cash Tan and DT, very naughty. Two of you already know Sunny Tan, me. Sunny Tan never see before. Jared Khoo, Didi Xiao Xiao. Hey, so only Sunny is new. Ling, okay, Ling never see before. Suzy Lim, okay. SK Go, can you apply BIC on US stocks? If you can see BIC on US stock, go ahead. Right? Any more? That's all. Three. I only saw 3 of you are new. The rest of you, Jing Kai, you new个屁. Jessica Lu is a member. I know your name. Marvin Low also a member. Very 李小. Okay, right. Okay, so for those of you who not sure or don't know, come on, let's do it. So when you look at a stock chart, okay, you want to find. Okay, for example, let's take a random view. Now you're looking at this Melewa chart, right? So you want to decide, okay, let's say it's doing this. You want to decide whether Melewa can buy or not. Okay, so you must understand, okay, Melewa has moved up. You must track the price chart and understand what's going on. So it has moved up violently over here where my cursor is. And then it went into a consolidation. So you want to know during this consolidation, is it buyer in control or is it buyer in control, aka BIC, or is it nothing is happening there, neutral, or is it seller in control? So this is what you want to find out. Okay, so let's see. Okay, zoom in here. So once you zoom into the consolidation zone, you look out for volume spike. These green and red bars are known as volume, transaction volume. Okay, so when you see high volume spike, okay, it means that on that day there are a lot of shares exchange hand. Now you think about it, you must understand. Okay, don't take whatever I say as a holy grail. You must understand and then you remember. Okay, if you don't understand, you will not remember. And then it must sound logical to you. It shouldn't be red line cross blue line is a buy, right line cross green line is a sell. Those it shouldn't be a magic formula. It's supposed to be something very logical so that you can understand and appreciate. Now, when there is a lot of shares exchange hand, for example, where my cursor is, this is 0.12 billion shares exchange hand, okay, which means 120 million shares exchange hand on this day. Okay, now you compare to this day, the red volume bar where it is so low that only 13.8 million transacted on this day. Can you see there's a big difference in terms of transaction? So you must ask this question, especially those of you who are new. You must ask this question: why on one day? Okay, zoom in. Okay, here. Okay, so why on this day there are so many people exchange hand? Oh, there's so many shares exchange hands, but on this day it is so low. Okay, so doesn't it interest you that when there are a lot of shares exchange hand, is the stock buying or selling? Correct or not? So in this case, okay, in this case, how do you know whether the stock is buying or selling? Whenever you see very high volume transacted. Okay, very simple. Look at the candle. This white and black thing is called candlestick. Now I'm going to give you a very quick overview of what is a white and black candle. There are more to it. There are more to it, but we just need to know the basic. For you to understand BIC, that's good enough. Okay, so when you see white candle, it usually means buying. How? Okay, the stock open, like for example, white candle, the stock open at 0.32, okay, and then it closes at 55 cents. 55 cents. So it requires buying throughout the day. The stock keep on rising. When the stock rises in price, it means that people are buying the shares. Okay, buying the shares, so and close higher. So when you see a closing price higher than the opening price, it will give you a white candle, and this symbolizes buying. And when it comes to such a high transaction volume, it is telling you that on this day there are a lot of buying. Okay, now when you look at black candle, okay, it means that the closing price is lower than the opening price. So this is 51 cents. So 51 cents the stock open, and then throughout the day gonna sell until within two, sell until close at 46 cents. Then you know that on this day, wow, a lot of seller. But you take a look at the volume, is it high or not? So if you look at the volume, it's not high. How do you know high or low? You compare to the day where you have a strong long white. That is the important thing here. Okay, if there's no long white, randomly you pick me one stock like that. Okay, you tell me high and low volume from this view, right? You can't tell anything. You need a reference. You need a reference candle, which is the long white. Okay, so that should help you to understand, right? So throughout the consolidation zone before Malewa fly up, you can see very clearly, right? There is buyer in control. Every time it is a high volume spike, you're looking at a white candle. Then as the stock starts to trade lower, as the stock price starts to trade lower, you are looking at lower volume. Relative to what? Relative to the long white. Straight after the long white, buying coming in, you want to make sure that the selling isn't as fierce as the buying. So you are expecting to see lower volume coming down. As the price come down, lower volume. Then you know that buyers are still in control. Because if the buyer are not in control, the stock can come down, or you can see strong long black candle like this, which will lead to lower price. Okay, so when you see volume spike, you look up white candle, look up white candle, you know that this one. And then whenever there's black candle, low volume coming down, low volume coming down, low volume, you know that this consolidation zone, buyers are in control. Okay, so everybody understand? If you understand, give me the smiley, the haha. Lai. Nabil Zakaria, what is BIC? I have just explained BIC. If you understand, give me the haha. Give me the haha. Then we'll go through the list of results. Okay, while you are responding, let me share with you another important clue. Okay, ready? Okay, or bend forward to the microphone, to the speaker, so that you can hear me. If not, later you miss this important clue. Then you will not be able to successfully execute this. Okay, the important clue is BIC chart only appear in a bullish market. BIC chart only appear in a bullish market, which means that if the market is bearish, okay, you will not see BIC, which also means that you will not be buying stock. So in a way, it saves you. Correct or not? If you understand what I'm saying, okay, comment okay. Comment okay. So let me repeat again. BIC chart will appear during the bullish time. Okay, during a bullish time. That is where you will benefit from it. Bullish time. When the stock market is sour, it is smelly, it is bearish, you will not be able to see BIC charts. That is in a way able to protect you. Okay, this way of reading chart will be able to protect you. How does it protect you? Because you can't see BIC, you tak buy. You don't buy. You don't stop loading up shares. Okay, you stand aside and you wait. So now, when you go into the stock market, okay, every day you're looking for stocks to buy. So now you have a way. You look at the BIC. If you don't see BIC, you just wait. Okay, it is like mahjong. It is like poker. It's like blackjack. Blackjack. Okay, let's talk about blackjack. Blackjack, if you got 16 points, 2 cards, one up 8, one 6 point. What is the third card you want to wait for, guys? What is the third card you want to wait for? If you have got an up 8 and a 6, what is the third card you are waiting for? What is the third card you are waiting for? Let me see whether you understand or not. What is the third card? 5. Jasmine is correct. Why 5? Because 10 plus 6 plus 5 equals 21 points. You will win a game. That is how you approach the stock market. You look for the card you want. You look for the stock chart you want that you understand. Okay, when you see BIC chart, expectation the stock should go up. Then you look for these kind of stock. Rather than you go to the stock market every day, you randomly pick up stock and just buy because steel is strong. So yeah, should be able to go up. Just buy at any price. Don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Also, that is how we do it. Okay, picture 就冚餅啦，picture 陰公 picture burst 咯。Okay, now if those of you who don't do blackjack, I use Chinese chess to explain to you pun boleh Chinese chess. Okay, very simple. When your opponent, Chinese chess, when your opponent, 他2只炮准备上来的时候2只炮准备上来的时候 ，OK， 你应该做什么？你看到他一只中炮来了另外一只中炮要过来了你要做什么？你要上你的帅，对吗？你要上帅，因为你看到他要中炮将军你要攻你了嘛，你就要上你的帅，对不对？所以他如果真的中炮的话，你可以躲左边躲右边嘛。It is like this trading, reflexive, okay, reflexive. So you know what you are looking for in the stock market. Okay, so guys, this is how I want you to remember because now we are going into a very bearish May. Okay, I think May gone. You can write off May already. Prepare to come back in June. Okay, but when you come back in June, what are you waiting for? Okay, the BIC. When the market recovers, okay, when the market market strength index starts to hit a very extreme low, which is the COVID-19 low, okay, we still got some way to go. So we don't know where it will bounce. So when it bounces, there will be industry to focus on. So you look for the industry. Now, what the industry that you can still focus on? Steel is definitely one. And you also want to look at, let me see, plantation, lumber, chemicals, okay, logistics. Just don't touch tech stock yet. Okay, tech stock, we need to look at NASDAQ. Later, I share with you NASDAQ chart, you will understand. Okay, so that is how we look at it. Okay, remember, now I'm training you to prepare for June. When the market starts to stabilize, stop selling. Stop selling doesn't mean you start buying. No, stop selling, you wait for BIC. So it will take some time, guys. It will take some time. It will not appear tomorrow because tomorrow half day. It will definitely not appear on Thursday and Friday. You know why? Why you will not find charts have BIC on Thursday and Friday? Anybody know why? Very important to know this one. Very important. Do you know why Thursday and Friday you will not see BIC chart? Anybody knows? Let's see who can respond first. I like to ask question. Ask question, you think, hi lah, what, Jasmine, tonight you are very fast. It's holiday lah, correct. Hari Raya, yes. Also, the market is not open on Thursday, Friday. You cannot see BIC chart. See also no use. You cannot buy. Okay, so it will take some time. It will take some time. So you just have to wait for it to happen. It may not even happen next week. But the thing is, you must continue to track. Okay, you must continue to track. Jadish talk about the Indian variants. Yes, that one is a big concern. Okay, so far no vaccine that can deal with it. But now it's Hari Raya lah. Don't be too stressed about the India variants. Okay. Now the other thing I want to brainwash you tonight. I want to brainwash you tonight is the world has overcome World War I, World War II, the great financial crisis. Okay, global financial, not great. The global financial crisis. You have got the Asian financial crisis in 1997. We have gone through the worst crisis ever. Okay, we always recover. So therefore, even this week, this month, if market comes down, it is normal, guys. It's normal. Okay, so you and me will not die. The stock market will always still be there. It will find its way to come out. Just like last year, COVID-19. Suddenly, everybody pivot to working from home. Technology shares go up. Cloud-based stock goes up. You have got the COVID plays goes up. Correct or not? So that is why we will not go down. It is temporary. I want you to keep the spirit up. Don't be too depressed about the market this week coming down. This one already, I think beginning of the month in May, I already warned about May market. Generally, you go and look 10 years, May market is always coming down. So you should be mentally prepared and start to lock in profit already. Okay, so that is the anticipation. So after so much introduction, okay, let us now come to the left-hand side here, the results. So this is the results from my screener. Why I come out with this ranking? Very simple. Because some strategy like Trendmaster V3, right? A lot of stock. See the result, tonight only 23. The market indeed is very jialat. Usually, Trendmaster give you 60, 70 stocks. Very, very xiong. So want to look for stock also hard. So now I can rank it and then I can go down and just look at the 4-star and 3-star stock. Much more easier. Okay, so let's go for the price pullback first. This strategy first. Okay. Now for member who just joined and shocked by, how come I got something new in the platform? Yes, it will come to you. So don't worry, it will come to you. Okay, let us go to the price chart and now start to go and look for BIC. Okay, very simple. Look at this. I don't see BIC. Now, don't see BIC. What do? You skip. Okay, you skip. Very simple. Lingo, I know someone will ask, why your platform still no ranking? I think maybe your version is a pirated version. That's why you don't have the ranking. No. Kidding. 开玩笑 Lingo, 我跟你开玩笑的. Okay, this is a new feature that is going to be released to all users after Hari Raya. Okay, so everybody will get this. It will be much easier. Your life will be easier. Okay, 开玩笑的, everybody will have. Okay, so now we go to big. Okay, big. Do we see BIC? So this one is coming down. So from here on, do we see BIC? I saw overextension. So this one to me already run away. So the best time to BIC is here. Can you see? Going up with high volume, pulling back low volume. So the day when it go up is the time to buy. Definitely not today. So skip. CBIP. MacBook sure can use MacBook because this is not an installed version. This is the web-based version. Sure can use. CBIP, same thing. Same thing. The best time to buy is when you see the BIC here. Okay, you see there is a very high volume right here, right? So this is like 7.38 million, but the rest of them usually is about 1.56 million. So in order to get a better view of what's happening here, okay, you follow my cursor and just drag here. Then you can see BIC chart. Can you see BIC chart? Yeah lah, every festival I always got something to give one ma. From Christmas to Chinese New Year to Hari Raya, sure got software update for you one. 厉害不厉害? Okay, so this chart, everybody can see BIC? You see BIC? If you see BIC, give me a like so that I know you see BIC. Oh, going up, white candle, coming down, low volume, going up, white candle again, coming up, low volume. So the best time to buy is this day, okay, which is Monday. Then after that, come down, market sour. Okay, so next CCB. Oh, CCB is a never mind. China Construction Bank， 哎，你们不要胡思乱想啊。CCB China Construction Bank， 哦 ，China Construction Bank. So this one in Bursa is not China Construction Bank lah. Oh, it is a Bursa company. But I saw the name CCB remind me of China Construction Bank. Okay, in Singapore there is a famous YouTuber called Wang Mai Tian Wang called Wang Lei CCB, right? He think about something else one, not China Construction Bank. For me, we are civilized people, China Construction Bank. Come, let's go. FGV. FGV plantation stock. Now this is the thing, okay. Before the sell down, okay, you could see BIC in plantation stock, okay, and like FGV, right? But a lot of them, this plantation stock, later we go through a lot of them, you will notice that they all encounter selling. Okay? This is not the fault of the trader or the investor or the industry. It is a general stock market weakness. Okay, general stock market weakness. Wow, CCB sell Benz car in Malaysia. Oh, cycle and carriage. In Singapore is called Jardine. Why they use CCB in Malaysia? Heng Yuan, 3-star. Okay, Heng Yuan and the rest of the oil and gas stock got chance because of the US oil pipeline gonna hacked by hacker. Okay, so the oil price is going up. Let me see, is it still going up or not on my other screen? No, it starts to come down already. This kind of temporary event, right? I'm very worried. But the good news is one of the oil company, I think it's Chermin or Dayang, received a contract by Shell. Okay, so there could be some business coming into the oil and gas services. Okay, still our loan sector. Later we continue. We look for new lobang first. So Heng Yuan, you can see Heng Yuan got BIC and not. Now how do you see it coming down, right? So whatever happened before April is no longer relevant, guys. Whatever happened before April is no longer relevant because we want to know after May can go or not, right? So you want to focus on this part where the stock already found the bottom. And then we will study here. This is where the action is. So you study here. Do you see BIC or do you see seller in control? For me, I saw BIC for Heng Yuan. Okay, Heng Yuan got BIC. So in order not to miss this stock, okay, I'm going to set my alert. I'm going to set my trend line alerts. So I'm going to draw the trend line like that. Okay, like that, and set an expiry date for my trend line. So I put on 4th of June, apply. Okay, now why do we set alert? We set alert because we don't want to sit in front of the computer for the whole day. Okay, you may be washing your clothes, you may be sweeping and mopping the floor during the daytime, or when the market is running. The thing is, you don't want to sit there and monitor, later your back ache. So you set an alert and go and do whatever you want to do during the MCO. So when the stock trigger, you receive a message, then you come in and take a look. Okay, whether is it time to buy Heng Yuan or not. So Heng Yuan, I would like to set a few alerts. These are trend line alerts. In case tomorrow gap down and close out white candle, I'll be alerted. And then I want to be alerted if it break this high. Okay, so I'm going to set a horizontal line alert on Heng Yuan. Okay, now Heng Yuan has got 3 star. Let's see quarterly earning. You can see Heng Yuan EPS is growing, yes or no? Okay, and TTM growing. So you can see this one really save our time. No need to come here, click there, click here, click there. Those that you need to study in more detail, go ahead, you can click. Okay, if you want to study in lagi more detail, click on the FA. Boom, the whole FA will come up. Or those of you who like to crunch number, this one is dedicated to you. Then see all the numbers are here. Okay, so for me, no need lah. Now for this green little dots, it make it easier. Okay, this alert is 15 minutes delay. Yeah, correct. This alert that I set, guys, it's not real time. It is 15 minutes delay. You can see there's a delay over here. So this ESP Master Pro will be able to display the last traded price delayed by 15 minutes. So tomorrow, for example, at 11:15 p.m., 11:15 a.m., you will be looking at the 11 a.m. candle. Okay, candle. So it is like real time, but it's delayed by 15 minutes. So it is very useful when you set the alerts. Okay, you see, when you set the alerts, you come to manage alerts. This is where the alerts will be. So you can manage, you can delete those that you don't want. Like those gray color one, once upon a time I set, so they have already expired. I haven't do spring cleaning yet. So maybe this weekend I will start to erase them. Those that are not gray color are still KIV, waiting for the alerts. So the alerts will come right here during your market hours. For example, if you look at KLSE, so these are the list of alerts today. Okay, I also added the industry and the ranking here so that during the market hours, guys, you can know when the stock trigger, right? You don't know what industry it is right here. So Traders Club, we will have that few industry we are focused on. So those industry that is none of our business, you can ignore. And then the ranking for the earnings, very important, earnings quality. So it makes it easier for you to follow the alerts. Okay, and it is delivered to your Telegram. For those of you who do not know, it is sent to your Telegram. So you can set up your Telegram on your mobile phone together to ESP Pro. This is called ESP Pro. This software is called ESP Master Pro. So you can set up and link your Telegram to the ESP Master Pro. I already linked up. There you go. You can click proceed. It will give you a QR code to scan. Okay, so one software to one Telegram service. Okay, so that is for the Telegram. And then, yep, the alerts is here for Heng Yuan. So let's go down the list and continue. Okay, let's go down the list and continue. Red tone. Okay, red tone, you do see BIC. You do see BIC, right? Okay, coming down low volume. Very nice. Very nice. This one not nice. This is selling. High volume, but black candle selling. Okay, buying coming back. Buying coming back. Selling weak. This chart, it is still BIC. But I want to see more. I want to have more information. I want to take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart, what I see I don't like is it is transacting at high volume at the high. Now this kind of chart I don't like on the weekly. It is telling me that selling has started. Okay, see, when you see such a high transaction volume, now what do I mean by high? Relative to what? Relative to the low volume time. Okay, relative to the low volume time. Then you know that this one is high volume, yet the price doesn't go up. So it is not a healthy sign. Okay, maybe some form of selling is happening in red tone already, or unless it continue to go up with higher volume. Otherwise, this is not normal. Okay, you can see when it's climbing up, right? This is what you should be seeing. Okay, it should be where here yeah. Show you this uptrend. I show you this uptrend, guys. Okay. When it is going up, it should be going up, pull back on low volume, go out on high volume, pull back on low volume, go out on high volume, pull back on low volume, and so on and so forth. So the moment you see this kind of high volume and yet the price doesn't go up, right? Normally the end is near. Normally the end is near. Okay. So how many alerts can we set? Unlimited. Not four. There's still not four. Unlimited, Julius here. Unlimited. But to be alerted it will be only 50 alerts, maximum 50 alerts, which is good enough lah. I don't think you will be monitoring that much stock correct? Also 50 alerts. Where's S rate? Okay, S rate, it is real estate. Usually real estate I will skip because I don't see the sector as being very strong yet. So I will probably give it a miss. Okay, so you can see the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart for S rate. Okay, nothing to see. Is it BIC? I don't think so. BIC is over. This one already went up and now come down. So this stock skip. TSH. Plantation stock TSH. Okay, so this is the consolidation. So you want to find consolidation before you go up. Do we see BIC? Now, this stock is not the easiest chart to read, so I can't see any obvious BIC. But what we know is this is plantation. So in our community, we discuss about every Monday we have a meeting. So everybody will throw in ideas and also throw in information where we have in the marketplace so that we have a wider scope. Okay, we cast our nets wider. So right here, it was mentioned that the plantation, the CPO price is breaking 4,000. So a lot of plantation stock started to get very excited. So TSH being inside the plantation stock also went up along with the Jetiasa, the KLK, and what KLK I think never go up. THS go up. KM Loon got go up. Also go up. Okay, but what happened is after they go up, a lot of them come down. Also, this one is not the fault of the CPU. So right here, you don't want to go and question yourself. Why plantation cannot go up? 4,000 per ton, 4,000 ringgit per ton. How come cannot go up? Why the steel counter now with this China starting to import steel, but why the steel counter cannot go up? Don't think that way. What you need to know is the market now is in a sour mode. Okay, sour mode. It is in a bearish mode. So therefore, any industry will all come down. So when the recovery comes, you make sure you get back into the same earnings growth type of industry. Then you will not be confused. So the worst thing to do for you now, for those of you who are new, is come in, you saw this kind of market, you get confused, you get worried, and then you jump around strategy. This is the time a lot of people, newbies especially, they will tend to want to jump around strategy, jump around classes, go and learn something else. Like for example, okay, all your life you have never used Elliott waves. Suddenly you are interested to learn Elliott wave because you find that, with Elliott wave, maybe I have got maybe I'm missing some information. So I use Elliott wave, maybe I can avoid this bloodshed. Or Fibonacci extension, price projection. I didn't sell at the high. Or maybe this Fibonacci projection can help me. This is the thing that will mess you up. Because when the tide turn, a lot of strategy is going to work. All strategy is going to work. Trend trading strategy is going to work. So it is about the stock market. What is the stock market doing now? Like in April, late April and early May, there are a lot of companies release earnings. Most of them, after the earnings, be it good or bad, all come down. The price come down. Did you realize this? Now, this is the kind of pattern recognition you need to know on top of chart reading. Okay, so that was the first clue to me that this May is one of the typical May that I have experienced before. So that is very dangerous. Okay, so TSH, USMA, come. USMA is another oil stock. This is the end of the 3-star. Now, USMA, if you take a look at, okay, this is a downtrend, right? So this is the lowest point. So this is the last time the seller come in right here. So from this point onwards, what's going on? Okay, can you see buyer coming back into the stock? Can you see? Okay, I do see. Okay, but this one is selling. This one is also selling. So I do not have enough buyer in control candles to conclude that, USMA can buy. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart, you can see that USMA is doing a very beautiful uptrend there, guys. Okay, I'm going to take away my ESP line. I'm very blocking. It's doing a beautiful uptrend. See, going up with high volume, coming down with low volume, going up with high volume, coming down with low volume. And it is in a bloody uptrend, man. It's in a bloody uptrend, man. Okay? Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, so this is USMA for you now. Once you see USMA, it is 3 stars, so it is worth a second look. Again, we don't want to miss, right? So we set alert. Now, if you are able to close, okay, let me go to the daily chart and set. If you are able to trade higher, okay, because tomorrow market open, we do not know where will it open or where will it close, but at least if you trade higher than today at 725, please inform me. ESP Master Pro, please make sure you send a message to my Telegram so that I will not miss USMA. And next, I'm going to change the uptrend line to an alert line. That's how the blue line will not alert me. The blue line is just a normal trend line, pretty useless. Okay, now what is in trend is to use an alert line so that when it comes down, we will be alerted. Okay, now why want to be alerted at the downtrend line? Okay, uptrend line, very simple. Okay, very simple. Let's give me my magic pen. Okay, so if USMA break, right? If USMA tomorrow break, right? If within a few days time, it managed to go back up, right? Wow, this is called a whipsaw. And especially if it happens with low volume or when it goes up with higher volume, it is going back up, guys. So that is my strategy for USMA. Now, USMA has got, because I follow USMA, so I have got information to share with you. USMA, you are talking about oil services play, and you are also talking about solar play. Solar play, I think it has bidded for the LSS project, large scale solar project. Okay, so that is something that we want to focus on. Kosan Rubber MD. Wow, Zunbo, Waiman. Kosan Rubber MD kena COVID pass away this one is share as received. This one may be fake lah. Don't worry lah. Don't worry. Don't anyhow share this one this one don't anyhow share. Don't anyhow share. 我们不知道是真的还是假的。如果是假的就害到他了，害到他了不好这样子，不好这样子讲人家去世了，不好不是真的，不要啦，不是真的，除非我们not fake so everybody know Oh my god. Hey, but guys I want to tell you something very serious. Okay, I myself I've got relatives in Malaysia. Okay, so one of my relative family, whole family is COVID positive. Okay, so this COVID-19 don't play. MCO, I think and hope everybody can remind everybody else to please stay away from crowd. Please stay at home. Let the spread dies down before we go out. So this one is quite serious because every time we read, right, you don't feel it. When I heard my relative kena, suddenly it becomes something more serious. I said, wow, I never thought it would happen to my own family. So this is something very, what do I say? I don't know. It must happen to someone close to you, then you will start to take note. Oh, wow. It is really so infectious. Okay, so my extended family is in Johor. Okay, in a very small town, very small town, and also still kena. So it is quite serious at the spread. So everybody just do your part. Stay away from each other. Stay at home is the best. Okay, so that is all about COVID. Let's come back to the chart. So that is a very unfortunate. This Mr. Lim. Very unfortunate. Okay, let's come back to the stock. Okay, let's come back to the stock. USMA, so this is what we want to watch out for over the next few days. So once you see USMA, okay, today, after we go through this list of stock, okay, the next thing we want to do is to pay attention to the sector. Okay, let's see the sector. Okay, so this is not a good way to see a sector over here, screener. Okay, I'm going to look at the industry, not sector Or industry is even more broken down. So you can see plantation stock came into the list very strong. So those of us who are interested in plantation, go through the stock, TSH and FGV. So you pay attention to these two and see any got chance or not. Okay, KLK is not the strongest one. KLK, you can see only 1 star. Okay, but for technical trading in and out camp, you want to ride trend, you ride this type of trend. 3 star and more, you ride trend. 1 star better, do technical trading. Okay, 2 star and below, you do technical trading. No star, best is don't touch. Okay, best is you got the best one on top. Why you still want to touch the no star? Okay, so I hope everybody understand. If you understand, hit the haha button again. And finishing Homer Reeds, solo artist over here. Oil and gas, you can see all the oil and gas coming out. So I want to focus on oil and gas tonight. So I want to go to the price chart right now. I want to go to the price chart right now. Oops, sorry, click wrongly. And then I go to oil and gas. You can see. Okay, how do you get the oil and gas together, guys? You go to the screener. And then you sort by industry. Okay, you sort by industry. Then they will all be together. Then you go to the price chart. Okay, oil and gas, Usman, we talk about it. Then we talk about Cheramin. Now, Cheramin is not the best. Okay, Heng Yuan just now we already, okay, so we saw 2 stocks. Heng Yuan and Usman both already set up the alerts, right? Oh, you can see. So it is not by coincidence why they are together. It is because the chart is bullish. The US pipeline gonna hack. Okay, and oil price is expected to continue to rise. So for this time, okay, oil services may be the only sector that may benefit. So we have to watch out for the stock. Okay, BIC. Remember for BIC. So Cheramin, it pulled back the volume quite high. So it is not BIC yet. You want to see continuous lower volume as it trades sideways, it will be easier. So Cheramin, and then we have got MHB got no star, but let's take a look at the chart. You see? No star. Can you see the quality of the chart? No star. So no need to waste our energy, you know? Correct or not? So out of these 4, I think only Heng Yuan and Usman lah. 就係咁簡單啦。就係咁簡單。Simple or not, guys? I make it simple or not? Is this much simpler to use? The summary is the submarine is moving again. 简单吗？简单吗？ Is it easier now to look for stock? Is it easier now? Yes, so after Hari Raya, you should be able to get it. Okay, just nice, you know. When June comes around, we can start to sapu stocks. Dayang, good point. Dayang, Chan, good point. Dayang, okay. Now, before we go to Dayang, okay, now this is, let's go to Usman, okay. So this is oil services, right? So how do you find, okay, these are only 4 stocks that has the signal, telling us that it meets our technical criteria. How do you find the rest of the sector, the stock? Okay, you click on the little blue link over here. Okay, little blue link. Not little blue pill, not little blue pill, it's the little blue link. Okay, you click on it, dun. All the oil services stock are all here. Okay, then you just ask about Dayang, right? There you go. Dayang. Dayang is a good chart, man. Dayang is a good chart. Now, why do I say that? Because it fulfill my RTS. It fulfill my RTS criteria. Okay, RTS criteria. So Dayang, I also want to keep track. So tomorrow, oil and gas stock at least can monitor lah. I use the word monitor and not buy because tomorrow is only half day and you got Thursday, Friday holiday. So Bursa cannot react to anything that happened to the pipeline. If the pipeline recover by Thursday, oil the oil go for a diarrhea session or decline massively over Thursday, Friday, Bursa oil stock cannot react. So Monday open or gap down. That is the risk. That is the risk, ladies and gentlemen. So we have to pay attention to this. Okay, I repeat again, in case you all miss it, tomorrow is half day, Thursday, Friday is holiday for Bursa. So if you buy oil stock on Wednesday, Thursday, US pipeline recover, supply recover, oil price collapse, Bursa oil stock Monday open will get down. So you have to be aware of this. Jadish say oil pipeline will be repaired by this week. Yeah, you see, repaired. It's not broken, it is just hacked. So you just need to buy Bitcoin for the hackers only. Okay, so Dayang, yep. So I just want to set one more alert on Dayang because like after tonight, after speaking to you, right, usually concussed already. I only have a little bit, 10-20% of battery left in me. Then tomorrow wake up, wow, forget what stock I set. So very simple, I reset already, so I just come here, manage alerts, they are all here. You see? So this piece of software very important. You put all the stock you're interested in, set some form of alerts, they are right here. So tomorrow during market hours, come and flip the chart here, then it will be going to the stock. SLVS, I was targeting SLVS. You see this one? I set earlier at 157. Instead of going up to 157, SLVS continue to test the low. So it never trigger and forget it. Don't need to look at it. Okay, so that is something very, very easy to use. Software repair. Wow, Jadish, your news baik, man. Your news. Solid, your news. Very up to date. Okay, guys, so this is the summary for tonight. Okay, we are looking at oil stocks, okay, because they have got the BIC that we are looking for. The rest of the sector all don't have technology, not even in the list tonight. So we all know how cui it is. I want to share a few Nasdaq chart, guys. Those of you who are, those of you who are tech lovers, you want to know what is happening to the Nasdaq chart, okay? Now, this is the Nasdaq chart. These are the two levels that you can prepare to see, okay, which also means that it can be very painful. Now, this is a very bearish pattern, guys. What is this pattern? What is this pattern? What is this pattern? Anybody know? SP Line, Armada later, after Nasdaq first, okay? Because right now, a lot of selling is caused by this Nasdaq one. So we want to understand what is Nasdaq doing. Double top, high lah. So you all know what is the double top, right? It's a bearish pattern. So double top may mean downside. So the neckline of this double top is at 12,595 points. Okay, 12,595 points. So we are now at 13,400 points. So if we continue to plunge, you expect 12.9K first, followed by 12.5K. Okay, so these are the two levels that is the neckline for the double top. If it break, it may trigger an avalanche of sell. You know why not? Because you and me are not the only one who recognize the double top pattern, guys. All technical traders worth any grams of salt will be able to tell that this is a double top. If any technical trader cannot recognize this as a double top, he better go and read the book. Okay, so double top, a lot of people will eyeball these two support level, and it is my belief that when the level is too obvious, the stock market will go and trade there trade there, and then break it. Okay, self-fulfilling prophecy, they call it self-fulfilling prophecy. Yes, hedge fund will also be able to see. So let's say if the economy is well and good, this is just a chance for them to buy it at a cheap. They will purposely drive the price down to trigger an avalanche of stop loss. A lot of people will put stop loss, okay, below the support level. So once it break, boom, it may trigger. Now this is double top. Okay, now listen up. Next thing I want to share with you is this is also a double top, this is also a double top, okay, but it never break and it goes up. Okay, it goes up. Now, for those of you who are in the mentorship program, I want you to appreciate this. I want to appreciate this. Why did it go up? Why did it go up? Okay, take a look at the month, you will be able to understand why will it go up. 我要给你看啊，你们学的东西是有用的。I want to show you what you learn in the program is useful 的。Okay, can you see why? Why it goes up and never break down? Why? There must be a reason. There must be a catalyst. Then only it is useful 嘛，係咪咁講？Like someone tell me, stimulus from government yeah lah, in a way lah. Earning man, 係啦，薛文let me see how to pronounce the word. 薛文Miss Lim, 係啦， not year end rally not year rally, okay. It is the earnings month in December and January. Remember the earnings play? 係啦, okay, so everybody understand and why does it come down in October? Why does it come down in October? Why does it come down in October? Think about it. Okay, so the earnings play that you learn is not 浪得虚名 one, okay, it is useful. So you see, May, earnings already over. I have been warning. April, earnings already over. Bursa still don't go up. When US drop, Bursa drop. 是不是发生了？ Okay, so this one will also continue to drop. That's why I think in May it will be horrible because there's no reason for the stock to go up, so it will continue to come down. Okay, so be careful. There are a lot of double top along the way. 2018. Okay, there is another. This one got triple top leh. This one got triple top, 是没 go down. This one got double top, also never go down. I could take a look at this one. Okay. Now this double top happened when? May, February and March. Okay, March sell down. Why April starts to go up, Why April starts to go up, Why April starts to go up, Because of earnings. Okay, because of earnings. So April starts to go up again. Okay, so that is the earning cycle that you want to pay attention to. Now, granted, if there is a bearish event announced in that earnings month, then whatever happened, whatever good earnings also no use. Okay, so therefore doesn't mean that earnings month stock market confirm go up. What you want to observe is before that earnings month, stocks should already rumble and get ready to go up to cheer the earnings, to cheer the better earnings. Therefore, before earnings month, I usually like to see the share price coming down, correcting, and then starts to go up in anticipation of a good earnings reporting. That in itself is a market pattern that I pay attention to. Okay, so once again, just to summarize for you, Nasdaq, okay, 解铃还必须系铃人解铃人必须系铃人the one who have to leave the curse have to be the one who set the curse. So Nasdaq is the one that is showing a lot of weakness. So if you really come down and test this level, watch out for the double top pattern, or otherwise start to turn back up. Now in May, for it to turn back up, 难啊。I cannot find any reason for it to happen. So we see lah. Maybe Biden starts to give more money. Hard to say So watch out for positive catalyst. Okay, so that is for Nasdaq. So how everybody learn anything today? Is it very useful session today? Prepare you for the bear market ahead. I hope you have find value in the first 1 hour. If you find value and want to learn more, okay, give me the haha. Only a few, haha. Not a lot, Very disappointed. Only Thank you for your support, guys. Thank you, support. So it means, okay, it means it is time to flash my slide, summary slide. Later, during this slide, right, I'm going to show you where can you learn more. Okay, where can you learn more? Okay, so let's go. Summary. So every day when we trade the stock market, when we invest stock market, you want to focus on these three questions: what to buy, and when to sell. Correct or not? Okay. Now, don't care whether the stock market is up or down because your process right here should be able to help you. Okay, you see, what to buy. You go in, every single stock listed in the exchange are businesses. Okay, so for you to invest in a business, if I ask you point blank, when you want to invest in a business, you confirm want to invest in a profitable business, correct or not? But why when it comes to the stock market, why are you not looking for profitable business? I hope this is a mind-changing day for you, night for you, okay? A eureka moment for you. So you want to pay attention to profitable companies. So industry team, what to buy, industry team, and also the catalyst, earnings, positive earning growth is a catalyst, okay, for what to buy as well. So using these two, so using these two, you will be able to find what stock to buy. Okay, like tonight we saw oil. Last 2 weeks you saw metal, steel. So every market cycle it will be different. Make sure you pay attention to it and be sensitive to the change. Okay, if you cannot do it alone, I know, understand alone you may be confused, you lack the confidence, then you should consider the traders club. Then you go to the when to buy. After you find what stock to buy, you go to the when to buy. So when to buy, you look up for the charts. Okay, BIC, you can either buy breakout or you can buy low. But importantly, you have to look for BIC. No BIC, just chill. Just wait. It's like playing mahjong. Okay, you have to wait to think pai. You need to wait. Okay, wait for your tile to come. You don't anyhow simply go in and just grab any stock. You have to be tactical. You wait. Okay. Now, when to sell? When you see weakness. If the past 7 trading session, you don't see any weakness in the stock market, you have got a problem. You have got a problem. Okay. So when the best time to sell? When you see weakness. And portfolio management. Just now someone asked me, hey, do I do stop loss or not? Of course. Okay. But I don't do stop loss on hard stop. Like when you see a support broken or sell, no, I don't do that. I do portfolio management. I will reorganize and rebalance my portfolio so that I lock in some profit to buffer the losses of existing stock. That is one of my key strategy in portfolio management. Okay. Now, those of you who have been here many times, and of course, my dear members, you know who am I. So it allows me to introduce myself to those of you who are new to me. My name is Yi Hua, Director of Charts Nexus. We built our own software, and our software is used in the industry by the brokers, okay, in the region like UOB, Keihin, Kenaga, RHB, Malacca. So just to name a few. And I've been a private trader myself since year 2004. So with me 17 years of trading experience, so definitely know a lot that can help you. So along the years, I have also contributed to the mainstream media for technical analysis articles, market outlook. Okay, so this is what I've been doing. And before COVID-19, I was traveling around Malaysia giving talk like this. Okay, where my cursor is, like this. Okay, across the Malaysia every week, 3 to 4 locations, fly around using Air Asia, very fun. Okay, visited these places that usually most of the people will not know of will not go. Okay, quite fun. So with COVID-19, I can no longer go there anymore, go to these places anymore. So what we do is like now, we are doing online at the comfort of my room, at the comfort of your room. We talk and you just listen with the chart in front of you, with the aircon turned on, with no risk of contracting any COVID-19. How nice. Okay, one seminar a week, I can talk to everybody across the whole Malaysia. Nice. Okay, so after COVID-19 happened, this is what we are doing, online trading session. So I also lead the Traders Club. Okay, so in the Traders Club, our focus is always on what to buy, what is the next sector, next industry, okay, which chart is BIC, and once we spot, we will be following up with the whole trade life cycle. Now, what is trade life cycle? Trade life cycle means the whole process of identifying the stock, okay, to masuk to keluar. Okay, this is the trade life cycle. So if you are looking for a club, a stocks trading club that is focused on education and information sharing, then this is the club for you. Okay, the whole community help each other out and by contributing ideas, by contributing information, so that we do not buy wrongly. Okay, buy wrongly, and we also are alerted to any risk in the market. Now, this is the 5-stage trader progression to share with you. A lot of people are stuck in the first 3 stages, okay? So they are wasting a lot of time in the first 3 stages trying to figure out how to do this, and also spending a lot of money by losing to the stock market, okay? Losing to other investor, other trader, because someone lose, someone will win. So losing the money in the stock market. So if you want to save time, I mean, if tonight you are someone who are inside these 3 stages, okay, if you are fed up, you are frustrated, it is good, because then only you will be pushed to make the change. So if you want to change, okay, you can change to adopt my trading plan. Okay, my trading plan, something that's really working to help you get up to speed. Now, why should you join the mentorship program? The mentorship program is designed to help you get up to speed quickly, meaning you are going to use a proven process to select stock, to time the entry, and to manage your portfolio, so that you do not need to experiment by yourself anymore. You just need to practice what you learn in the mentorship program, so that you become better and better and better every quarter, not every year. Every quarter. There's a reason why I use quarter. Later I explain to you. Okay, remember, this program is designed to help you improve every quarter, not year. Okay, now okay, in the program itself, we will be focusing on both fundamental and technical, but don't worry about fundamental analysis. It will not be the dry numbers. It is a very quick and simple way to find profitable companies, and I'm using technology to make our life simpler. Look, I am also a private trader myself, so if you ask me to go through this, mana wu eng, right? So what I want to do is to make use of technology to come up with solution like this. Okay, by one look, we know what are the good companies. By one look, we know what is the industry that is moving. So this is the information I use in my own trading. I designed the software to work like this, so that I can use it with convenience and hope to spend lesser time to look for stocks. So this is something that can help you as well. And not to forget my live alerts. Once I set up at the Heng Yuan, like the Usma, just now you saw I set the alerts, right? So they will be triggered. So this will enable me that even if I am doing my morning walk or drinking my coffee with my friends, when the alerts come, I will be right in front of the computer placing the order. So this is technology helping us. Okay, so this is for the portfolio companies. Then you also learn how to identify sector in play, industry in play, okay, by participating in the community meeting on Mondays. BIC chart, okay, using technical analysis, we will time the entry into the fundamentally good companies. So look for BIC chart. You will also focus on multi-time frame analysis. Both time frame must show BIC. That will be the best. Okay, and then the smarter way to buy low, another strategy that is not mentioned today. And in the program itself, other than learning by yourself, these two approach, I will be there to provide a mentorship for you. Okay, so if ever you have learned from elsewhere, or you learn by yourself, and you find that it is awfully very lonely, whenever you encounter a question or problem, you do not know what is the answer, or there's no one you can ask. Okay, so in this mentorship program, every other day when I see a very good learning opportunity in the stock market, I will broadcast to all the members, okay, so that they will learn from the real example instead of old example. It's going to show you some of the examples right here. So this is the Malaysia Traders Club broadcast. You will be receiving this broadcast to your mobile phone, guys, to your mobile phone. It is not web-based. I'm just using a web-based interface to show you. So this is like Tasco and Melewa. So on that day itself, Tasco, a stock that has already announced its earnings, and the stock is not inspiring enough to continue to go up, versus Melewa, a stock that is showing BIC, yet the earning is not announced yet, and the whole industry is in play. Okay, so this is a good example for me to show all the members, like, okay, so Tasco, is it still worth our time, or is it better to swap our funds to Melewa? So this is one good learning opportunity. And then like, okay, like if I have got Franken and Tufu is up, Franken is down. So I want to protect my position in Franken. What can I do? Lock in profit in B so that I got profit buffer to hold A. So in the event if A rebound, then it will be even more profitable. So this is one strategy as well. And as support dilemma, like for example, both stock, Red Tech and Mr. DIY at support level. If both break, which one should you sell? So I give my take on it. And then quiz like BIC chart. Okay, what stock is this? And then ascending triangle pattern, okay, and many more. Okay, many more. You can see many more. So this is the learning broadcast. This is the learning broadcast that I was referring to. Wait, where is my chart? Okay. So that's the learning broadcast. Okay, now every Monday we have a weekly training webinar only for members every Monday. So once you're a member, every Monday, come and attend the training. It will help you to improve even faster. And daily market commentary is where we talk in our Facebook private page over here. Every day we'll be here talking about stocks. Okay, sharing information, sharing news right here. Okay, like tonight's GF Tech announced its earnings, so we have a discussion. See the member themselves having a discussion on, does this constitute good or bad? Because I've gone through how to appraise the company's earnings, so they are having a discussion. So tomorrow I'm going to join them and then condemn this company together. So this is the Traders Club webinar training. Now, this is the daily stock discussion thread that you must participate. Okay, so you can see so many information being shared, 252 comments, no joke. All right, so that is for the services that I can help you with under the mentorship. So with the learning broadcast, weekly training webinar, and the daily market commentaries, you have a lot of opportunities to learn and improve and to make money. Now, this is the earning season method. Okay, so I pay attention to earning season. So during the earning season, I will try to amass a portfolio of stocks to go into the earning season and then start to sell into the rally, right? So these are the results that I have collected to show you how it is done. So this is May 13, 2020. So on that month itself, I have built up an unrealized profit of 19,700 ringgit. Okay, based on 130K. So you take note of the stock, FP Group, Chrono, MTech, OCN Cash Revenue, SCGM, Top Glove. So the following earnings season in August, you can see that I have already locked in profit selling into rally. Okay, this is the May one. I sold into the rally as the stock announced good earnings. The stock moves up. Once weakness set in, I will lock in the profit and rebuild a new list of stock portfolio for the next earnings. So you can see FP Group still there. I got new stock like Hata, GHM, Kawan, Mi, OpenSea, Scomnet, Supermax, Tiguan, which it doesn't have over here. Can you see? So this is my method. Okay, I will amass a stock, a portfolio, go into the earning season, sell into strength, and then restart again for the next earning season. So currently we are in May. So May earning season looks like it's going to be down. Unless miracle, otherwise I don't expect the May earnings season to have any bullish party. So have to get ready for the August one instead. Okay, so get rid of August one instead. So strong core support. So after you join us, we have got this private page. I forgot to show you the videos inside the private page. Okay, so you can come here. You can see our training videos are all here already. Yeah, training videos. So once you get access to the private page, okay, private page for members only, under guides is where all the training videos are recorded and kept. I want to highlight to you a few important ones. To learn how to use the software, ESP Master Pro User Guide 1.6 is important to you. This volume trigger is the key strategy technique for our chart reading. So make sure you come and see this. And then advanced breakout strategy, okay, when the market is bullish. Now, when you know how to buy, you must know how to sell to lock in profit. So for example, in this market, if you have not locked in profit, today you should be crying because all the profit all squeezed. Also, if you have known how to lock in the profit, last week, the week before, already start to lock in profit as the stock become weaker. Also, this is where it is explained right here. And trading portfolio management and position sizing. This one is what will protect you against total loss, guys. If you're someone who anyhow buy stock, anyhow buy like any size that you like, this video will teach you how to use a formula to decide what is the position sizing for each trading opportunity so that your account can compound. Okay, so this is the video. So these are the few videos that I find is very important for any trader, investor who are struggling in the market to come and learn from, and make sure you do it. Okay, so that's for the private page. You will also get full access to the ESP Master Pro software that I'm using. Remember, after Hari Raya, there will be a new feature that is the ranking, okay, and the industry, which will really even shorten your time, okay, to look for the good stock. Okay, in the ESP Master Pro, we have got the fundamentals data as well as the delayed real-time charts. Oops, sorry, that is too fast. Okay, the broadcast system that I have shown you, so it will be on the mobile phone, so make sure you install it. And the fourth and the last item is the Telegram alerts. I have shown you how to set the alerts, but you must install Telegram on your mobile phone and link up to the ESP Master Pro. Okay, how to link is already inside the video right here. Wow, I think I got too many tabs open. I'm struggling to find the one to show you. 在哪里？ Okay. How to link up? Here. Okay. 1.6. Inside this video, I have also shown how to link up your Telegram to the ESP Master Pro software. It is very, very useful, guys. It is like your own personal trading concierge, reminding you to take the trade. Okay. So the whole Bursa mentorship program, through these 4 services, we are going to keep talking about what stock to buy, when to sell, what stock to buy, when to sell, rinse and repeat, BIC, for 1 whole year. So after 1 whole year, confirm you will get better. Okay, so this is the October 16, 2020. So it's preparing for the November earnings. You can see the list of stock change again. Okay, suddenly got Penta Master. So by now, because of the change in stock, and also I'm writing some stocks, okay, writing some stock like Top Growth Supermax, there was no reason to sell. The profit, unrealized profit, swelled to 91.5K. Okay, and this is November. So in November 2020, after the earnings season is over, I tried to rebuild a portfolio of stock, unsuccessful. Every time I sell, the stock rally, and every time I didn't sell, the stock never moved. So I couldn't find winners, but I stick to it. So this is the notes I post to all the members. So this is how it look. Okay, I'm going to read to you. We had a lousy November. So each time I have a lousy period, Jordan always inspires me. Never give up. We never give up. That is why we are enjoying the profits in Jan. Okay. Lousy period will happen again in the future, but remember to keep the faith. This is what I wrote on 18th of January 2021. I said, lousy period will happen again. And in May, it has happened again. Okay. So May happened again. So this is January profit. Okay, so remember December, I wasn't doing very well, struggling to build a list of stocks to write into the earnings for February, but finally managed to do it in January. So the whole month of December is win this, lose that, win this, lose that. So it is like a break-even month. But when come to January, I'm beginning to support a lot of good companies, and this is the 11th of Feb, 1 week before Chinese New Year, the unrealized profit of the list of stock is worth 48.9K. Okay, 48.9K. So this is how I do it. So if you're looking for a results-oriented program, let me share with you your 师兄师姐们的 results. Okay, your 师兄师姐们的 result. I got so many tabs open. I need to close them. Close them. Okay, 师兄师姐们 result. Let me show it to you. So I come to my private group and search results. Oops, results. Okay, now I want to show you the list of results right here. So you can see 107 comments. So this is where we post our earnings results. You can see the latest one. I show the latest. So a lot, but I show the latest one. So latest one, this is Melewa. Okay, Melewa. Okay, this month in itself, before the meltdown in the stock, we have good profits from JF Tech, Melewa, PA, okay, PA, and I'm missing one. Give me one moment while I try to recall. I'm now going through my list of stocks to recall. 杜甫，海啦。Okay, once again, this month, Melewa, okay, we have got PA, we have got Keplas, JF Tech, also 杜甫, so 5 stocks, okay, that help to buffer some of the pullback in the market, okay, so that is for Kepler, Patrick. Yes, thank you very much. So these are all the big winners that we managed to lock in the profit before the big selling come this week. Okay, so that help to buffer the losses that we are experiencing now. Okay, this is a bad May, so everybody will lose, but make sure you are able to buffer the loss. Hey, also got Supermax. Also forgot. See, the member remember better than me. Hey, thanks guys. Okay, so that is the results. And then now to learn the knowledge, you will be able to recognize opportunities and therefore make the money. Okay, so without knowledge, you will not be able to recognize the opportunity. So guys, so if you have been struggling in the stock market, make the change. Okay, make the change. So my pre-COVID seminar package starts at 3788. That is pre-COVID. Now we are into MCO3, so definitely a friendlier price. Okay, so the 1-year mentorship program is all yours for only 2388. 2388. Now think about this. If you have been losing more than 2,000 ringgit per trade by doing it yourself every month, you know that it is not working. So instead of losing the next 2,000 to the stock market and don't know what the hell is going on, and next one going to lose again, why not invest and then join my community and let's do this together? Okay, so that is the value proposition I have for you. And the other more important thing is, if you compare this 1-year training program, okay, like a membership, to a university degree program, okay, it's going to cost you easily 20, 30, 40,000 ringgit. Okay, and after you graduate from your program, okay, from your university program, you will be still hunting for job, unemployment, money not enough. The problem is still there. The only way to get out of the rat race by Robert Kiyosaki standard is to go into investment, be it real estate or stocks. So you have to do some form of investment. So for only 2,000, which is just a small fraction of your university degree program, for you to learn from a 1-year mentorship program in stocks, that is where the value is, to learn how to invest and grow your money. Okay, so this is the sign up link, chinaccess.com/trading Bursa. Okay, trading Bursa. So if you want to take advantage of this post-COVID-19 promotion 238, go ahead and click on the link. My assistant has already posted up the link on the comments field. Okay, as you can see, this is the Bursa program link, the Singapore program link. Okay, and this is the WhatsApp if to contact us if you got any question, and the email to contact us if you have any question. Testimonial is here. You can click here to go to some of my members' testimonial. The full list is right here. Okay, so come to this list and then pick your choice. All right. And as a bonus, okay, once you join, immediately you can start off by looking at our watch list, which will be updated after every earnings season. Okay. So let me share with you how this. Okay, this is the Malaysia Traders Club watch list. Okay, so go there and then focus on that list of stock first if you are new to trading. Then we can discuss about the stock in our daily commentary. Okay, now for those of you, let me see how many of you stay on. Okay, for the 176 of you who stayed to this last slide, okay, it means that you are really considering and interested in joining me and my community to trade the Bursa market for the next 1 year. Okay, so I'm going to offer you a very, very special price, which is almost the last of the last call. After Hari Raya, it may increase, okay? Because of the new feature coming in, we are going to increase the price. So this is the last call, okay? 1914, lower than 2388. Okay, it's not going to be 1914 forever, but this is your last chance to get onto the mentorship program, okay, at a very special rate, just because you stay right to this slide. Okay, guys, if you have got no question, proceed to the link and sign up so that during the MCO, you got time to view the videos. Okay, Thursday, Friday is public holiday, best time, man. MCO cannot go out, ma. Thursday, Friday, go ahead and view the videos, okay? And I will also set up a discussion so those of you who are bored, you can come up and discuss stocks in the daily commentary as requested by Jing Kai. Okay, MCO, ma, so bored at home, right? Talk stock lah. Right, so any question, feel free to comment at the comments field. Me and my assistant, Kate Zai, will help to answer your question. Okay, I hope to see you in the 1 year mentorship program and be your kaki for the next 1 year. Okay, that's all. Right, any question? Who wants to ask the first question? Come. Vini Jaya asks, can go lower some more. Can only go higher, not lower, because now I have got 700 over members. So in order to raise the standard, I am going to keep increasing the price so that we keep very, very serious member inside the mentorship program only. Kelvin Ng, how old are you? Wow, why would you want to know my age? Age to a man is a secret. Old lah, old farts already lah. Old farts already. Don't ask lah, ask already very, very demoralized. I used to be the youngest. Okay, whenever come to the stock community, I used to be the youngest. Now become one of the oldest. Shit. Your last call valid till when? Okay, this is a surprise. This is a surprise. Okay, I will not have a end date. The day when I launch the Hari Raya, that new feature, that will be the day the price will change. Okay. Do we have any credit card installment program? Okay, the credit card installment program is in the office to go and swipe. Our office is at Bursa, but now MCO cannot go, so we cannot swipe the card. So you can only do it through the online. Okay, Kelvin Ng, that picture is taken more than 10 years ago. Sorry to disappoint you. Definitely look much older now. That picture is more than 10 years ago. 2007, that picture. So therefore looks young. Okay, we are never too old to learn and we are never too young to teach. Okay. Right, next question, come on. What are all the benefits? Teo Juan Kan. What are all the benefits? Yeah, let me just put the YouTube here so that we can also look at the YouTube and talk together. I put it here. Like that more fun. Okay, right? So in YouTube, YouTube, will there be live training? Okay, Billy, the training is inside the video. So once you sign up, immediately you are able to, not immediately, next day you'll get access to the Facebook private group and the training video inside. So you can start anytime. Or like I said, MCO time is the best time Cannot go out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Your wife cannot force you to go holiday. Your girlfriend cannot force you to go watch movie. So the best time is MCO best time is MCO. Okay, what are all the benefits? Okay, the benefits are inside the sign up link. Okay, you click on the sign up link and then you will be able to see all the package details. Do I have a personal email address? I don't give out personal email address and I don't add people in Facebook. Now, I have a reason why. Listen up, okay? I'm not dull, I'm not unfriendly, I'm not snobbish. I don't do that because I am considered a public figure because I conduct webinar like this on internet. So there are a lot of scamster will use my picture and then email to or Facebook my members to ask them for money or to invest in a crypto program. So a lot of this happening to my partners. So therefore I want to avoid this. The best way to do it is not to engage in private conversation with any of my members so that they know any scamster come to them, they can straight away gun them and ask them to go away. Okay, go and kiss the spider. Or I will never contact you personally to borrow money, to ask you to invest in crypto. Never. Okay, so therefore I don't give people my personal Facebook or personal email. The trading Bursa is catered for Malaysia. Yes, catered for Malaysia traders. You are right. What is RM1914? Correct Anand. Correct 什么是1914这么便宜对吗安南what is 1914 so cheap for the value that you are getting, so low cost, so 卖涂料 don't waste time, quickly sign up and learn and use the powerful software. Now it has come with ranking, much easier. Okay, any money back guarantee given? No, I don't do money back guarantee. Usually money back guarantee are scams. So I want to be upfront with you. We don't have this money back guarantee. Okay, the only program that offer money back guarantee, they offer guarantee of 20% return per month. Okay, 20% per month. Very popular program, already being shut down by the government because it is a Ponzi scheme, JJPTR. So I hope everybody understand and do not believe in this anymore. Okay. So whether we are seasoned trader or beginner, we have to go through the whole mentorship program. Teo Chuan Gan, yes, you have to. If you are a seasoned trader and you already win money, right, profitable, then I think I cannot help you. Means you can do it already. You don't need my help anyway. So you don't need to sign up But if you 自认 that you need help, then you sign up. Okay, let's come back to the Facebook. Okay, Facebook. Sign up 1 month first, earn the 1 year course fee, then no need installment. Jared, well said. Okay, Daniel Chia. If I sign up under Singapore, able to access Malaysia forum too? You can't. Singapore and Malaysia are two separate programs, guys. Okay, separate programs. What is CNX and Trendmaster strategy? Okay, so CNX and Trendmaster strategy are two different stock picking strategy. Also, they will fulfill certain criteria of our stock. Okay, our stock criteria, and then it will throw out in the results. So they are two different strategy. The market update only on weekly basis. Will there be any Sunny Tan? There will not be buy call, sell call. No buy call, sell call. If you're looking for buy call, sell call, then this is not the program. This program is learn the process of selecting stock and then participate in the community to look out for stocks together. That is what we do. No? That is the value. 很像你去上课这样啦，你上了课做 project 啦 ，project work， 大家 contribute 是这样子的。OK， the market update is daily 啊，三立蛋 daily。The stock guide for private group discussion. Any stock guide private group discussion? Christine Fu, I don't understand your question. Damn good word. Yeah lah, I realize that use bad word vulgar language, scold got more viewers. Do you have any program for the US market in view of the Bursa maneuver? Hey Wayne, you never see the profit I think in my humble opinion, right, Bursa market is more crazy than US market. You see US where got limit up so many stock one, but when Bursa market, when the industry is in play, right, everybody jump into the same stock. Wow, up 20%, up 16% in the day. So even if they're sharp, right, they are very kind sharks that allow retail investors to make money. Only those retail investors who do not have the knowledge will get hurt by the sharks. But if you know how to read the chart, BIC, you are going to swim with the shark. You are going to swim with the shark. You will love the shark. You will love them. They help you make money faster because the stock goes up faster. Okay. Sean, you value for money. You will not regret. It's another provide you a good tool to. Thank you, Sean. Yeah, Sean is a member. Yeah. Okay. Right. Come back to YouTube. Can we use any broker? Yes, you can use any broker, Billy. This is only a stock charting platform. Okay, stock picking platform. So it is independent of whatever broker you are using. Wow, a lot of questions tonight. Great. Okay, by the way, when you are asking, as you are asking the question, wow, Dow Jones dropped 600 points. Bloody May. This is a bloody May. Why chart as a chart is not real time as the charges at premium? We are doing delayed, very close to real time already. Very close to real time already. What does IB sharks mean? This one you ask, wait. You ask Win. Win say one IB shark. 我不方便透露这种字眼，因为 SC 在看，我不可以随便讲。Any Raya promotion? Okay, guys. Those of you who are interested to sign up today, but you are afraid of the Raya promotion, don't worry. Whenever we have a promotion, we will always backdate to a certain date, maybe 1 or 2 weeks before. So let me put it this way. Those of you who sign up tonight, okay, let me offer you a guarantee. Okay. You will be able to qualify for the Raya promotion. So if you sign up tonight, if you sign up for the program and during the Raya promotion, I give a bonus gift, you will get the same promotion. Okay, you will get the same promotion. So this will set your, because I understand last week a lot of people write in and ask about Raya promotion. They don't want to sign up yet. They want to wait for the Raya promotion. What a waste. If they had signed up last week, okay, or 2 weeks back, they will make money from Melewa, from GF Tech. But last week, they could have exited the market before this 600 points drop in US. They could have avoided massive losses for those of them who write into us, is there any Raya promotion? So I say, if there's promotion, good. If there's no promotion, okay, you will still benefit from the program. That is the most important reason why you want to sign up. But here, let me give you a personal guarantee. If you sign up tonight, you will still qualify for Raya promotion if we run any promotion for Raya. Okay, so I hope this one is very, very obvious. Okay, very obvious and can settle you. Sean, do we entitle existing member? We will see your case. Okay, there will be a period. Like for example, only. If I launch Raya tomorrow, which unlikely lah, because tomorrow half day only ma. So if I rush, so we normally have a cut-off date. So 1 or 2 weeks or 3 weeks before, there will be a cut-off date. Anybody who signed, before that will not have. Anyone who signed after that will have something like this. Okay. Okay, guys, I think there's no more question on YouTube, and this should be the last question. No more question, right? Jason Tan, what is the delayed time? 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay. 很好用啦，这个 software 我没有骗你，哇老，这个 software 真的越看越喜欢了，真的是越看越喜欢。Let me show you Okay, I haven't gone to the other strategy yet. So let me go to my V3 strategy and see. Well, last time V3, quite a just so long of the result. So now with the ranking, you see, all this no need to see what, waste time. Then you click on the price chart. Okay, comfort, glove stock. Although 4-star glove stock, you know lah, it's not the industry in play. Comfort skip, top glove skip, Astro no BIC skip. Can you see how simple the process for selecting stock has become? Oh, BIC, AYS BIC. Can you see? So simple the process. 杜福 technology stock definitely not in play. Another one with double top forming. Also, this is how you go through and look for the stock very, very useful. Okay, so 今晚就讲到这里。今晚就讲到这里。Thank you for your participation. 欢乐时光过得非常快，又到时候说拜拜。So I hope I see you next Wednesday. Those of you who are joining, you will receive a welcome email. So pay attention to the welcome email. The setup instructions are all inside. Okay. So Hari Raya is coming. I wish all my Malaysia Facebook friends, all these participants and all members, okay, a very Selamat Hari Raya. Okay, enjoy your New Year, and for the Chinese folks, enjoy your MCO. Stay safe, everybody. Wash your hand. Try not to go out. Eat at home. Okay, I will see you next week. Any question? Contact my support. Thank you for your support tonight. See you soon. Bye. Hey, for the Singapore market, tomorrow we still continue. Those on MCU, nothing to do, can join us for the Singapore market. Okay, bye. Thank you.